Welcome back to Rhinos Productions. Today we're going to make a cornhole board. In order to create the cornhole, we're going to use 2x4's and we're going to use some 1/2-inch plywood. The only dimensions that we need to know is that this hole right here needs to be 9 inches down and 12 inches in from either side with a 6-inch diameter. And when it's completely folded out, it needs to be 3 inches tall from the bottom and 12 inches tall from the top to it.
Five hours later.
Okay, so I made these inserts to put right about here, right about here on the board, and that way it'll strengthen the plywood, so when you throw the bag, if it hits in the middle, it won't sink in as much because this will be here to support it. Alright, you guys, thank you for sticking with me through the whole video. I was able to make these 2 cornhole boards in 1 day, so I'm pretty happy with that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, as always, please leave them a comment below. Please like and subscribe. If I were to change anything for this project, I'd definitely try to use a different wood filler, just because I'm a perfectionist, and the wood filler sort of changed color when I put on the polyurethane, but otherwise it turned out great. If you guys have any recommendations for what you think I should build next, please leave a comment down below. I hope you guys are all staying safe, happy, and healthy during these times. As always, it's a great day for a great day. Have a good one, you guys.